I get wild in the mud. I get loud in the mud. I get down in the mud. Now wild, la la loud. Get loud, la la loud. Get down to the down. There's a war going on in the speakers. That bass keeps slapping the tweeters. There's a war going on in the speakers. That bass keeps slapping the tweeters.
That shorty on the floor, she fine as hell. Make a whole step up and grind the tail. Paint a picture and find the tail. Shorty wanna roll, we might as well. Ay, I let them goons come through. Souls in the club like, that's right, hell yeah, I said it. Speak my roots and yeah, I rep it. Raised that way, man, without question. Muscle my hustle, man, without flexing. In the lab, I grind it out. Then I had the club straight wild and out.
I get wild in the mud. I get loud in the mud. I get down in the mud. Now wild, la la loud. Get loud, la la loud. Get down to the down. There's a war going on in the speakers. That bass keeps slapping the tweeters. There's a war going on in the speakers. That bass keeps slapping the tweeters. I don't stunt no more, I fall guy. 5 foot acting like a tall guy. Your girlfriend was on me like all night. Now she wanna ride like rawhide. Trooper, a young do it mover. I'm on a fishing tour, putting women on the lure. You need no map, girl, I'll show you where it's at. Butter on my back, get on that. Turning up the back, make it sound real slappy. You can see the handprint under her panties. War in the sneakers now, how does that sound? I don't know about you, I'm a walla la loud. I get wild in the mud. I get loud in the mud. I get down in the mud. Now wild, la la loud. Get loud, la la loud. Get down to the down. There's a war going on in the speakers. That bass keeps slapping the tweeters. There's a war going on in the speakers. That bass keeps slapping the tweeters. Like crazy, loco, wild and bonkers. I'm checking out baby with the big old knockers. Mama from Texas, daddy from Yonkers. I make it storm like I'm one of her sponsors. Yeah, she already got a Red Bull. Getting ready for the hit bull. Late night, stay awake till I get you. Yeah, stay awake till I get you. I get wild in the mud. I get loud in the mud. I get down in the mud. Now wild, la la loud. Get loud, la la loud. Get down to the down.
West side, bad boy. You know who the realest is. Bring it to me. First off, in the click you claim. West side, when we ride, come equipped with game. You claim to be a player, but I your wife. We bust on bad boys for life. Plus, Puffy tryna see me weak. Hearts I rip. Biggie Smalls and Junior Mafia some more. We keep on coming while we running for your juice. Steady, keep on busting at them fools. You know the rules. Little Caesar, go ask your homie how I leave you. Cut your young ass up, leave you in pieces. Now be deceased. Little Kim, don't around with real G's. Quick to snatch your ugly ass off the streets. So peace. I let them know it's on for life. Don't let the West Side ride the night. Bad boy, get your caps peeled. You know, see, grab your when you see Tupac. Call the cops when you see Tupac. Who shot me, but your pumps didn't finish. Now you're about to feel the wrath of a menace. Hit 'em up. Check this out, you mother know what time it is. I don't even know why I'm on this track. They ain't even on my level. I'ma let my little homies ride on you, made ass bad boy. Feel.
Get out the way, yo, get out the way, yo. Biggie Smalls just got dropped. Little move past the Mac and let me hit him in his back. Frank White need to get spanked right for setting traps. Little accident murderers, and I ain't never heard of ya. Poisonous cats attack when I'm serving ya. Spank and shake your whole style when I gank. Guard your rank, cause I'ma slam your ass in the paint. Puffy weaker than the block I'm running. And I'm smoking Junior Mafia in front of you. The ready power, tucking my gas under my Eddie Bauer. Your clout petty sour, I push packages every hour. Hit 'em up.
Grab your when you see Tupac. Call the cops when you see Tupac. Who shot me, but your punks didn't finish. Now you're about to feel the wrath of a menace.
drama to all you heard. Knuckle check the scenario. Little C's, I bring you fake G's to your knees. Copping please in these scenario. Little Kim, is you coked up or doped up? Get your little junior whopper click smoked up. What the is you stupid? I take money crashing and mashes through Brooklyn. With my click looting, shooting and polluting your block. With 15 to your knot, outlaw mafia click. Moving up another notch in your box top spots. Get mopped and dropped. All your fake ass East Coast props brainstormed and locked.
User, be writer, a pop style taker. I tell you to your face, you ain't shit but a faker. So for the Allison with a chaser, about to get murdered for the paper. Edie, I mean approach the scene of the caper.